Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to work with your own custom CSS using the Warhead Extra CSS style rule. Let's get started. Now, the great thing about Warhead is it has built-in style rules and groups for nearly every element on the page. But there may come a time where you want to include your own custom CSS style properties. When that happens, we use what's called the Extra CSS style rule. And that looks just like this right here. And if you click it, you can see that it takes you to a screen that allows you to enter your own custom CSS, just like the background size CSS property that's added right here. Now, whenever you click the Extra CSS style rule, it'll tell you what element or elements it's targeting right here. And then you simply add your own custom CSS, however you want. Super easy. Now, this Extra CSS rule is targeting the entire page. So any CSS properties we add here will be applied on the page level. But as I mentioned, the Extra CSS is available everywhere in the theme builder. For instance, if I click on a sector and look at the sector style panel here, you'll see there's extra CSS right here too. So I can add extra CSS to this sector. Same goes for rows. If I go to the row within this page, over here on the right, there's extra CSS that I can use to target the row, just like that. And there's even extra CSS available on the block level. So if I select a block and I scroll over to the right, you'll see there's extra CSS for this block right here. And same goes for style groups. If you click down into a group, you'll see on the right, again, there's my extra CSS. So any element on the website has the ability for you to add your own custom CSS using the Extra CSS style rule here. Alright. You've just seen how easy it is to add your own CSS using the Warhead Theme Builder Extra CSS style rule. Thanks for watching.